So I'm going to Paris tomorrow to do the Boodle Fight Supper Club. I'm so excited. Hi guys, so this is going to be my first vlog. Yes, vlogger ganon. Now it's on. I have met Leia personally, not just Instagram friends, in London when she came last year. We did the Lumpia challenge, which was so much fun. I won the wrapping competition, by the way. So now I'm just gonna pack my stuff, make sure I bring everything. I'm off to the station to catch the Eurostar, and it's about 6:30 o'clock in the morning. I must confess, it's actually my first time traveling with Eurostar, so I'm really scared at this point. So I'm going on platform 10, I think carriage 12. I don't know. I'm following people. Don't know where I'm going. So we're here in Gardinion. Yeah. I think I'm saying that correctly. With La Petite Manil. Hi. So they picked him up this morning, and then we had lunch in Popeye. And they kind of, yeah, they're showing me around before we go to Avocateria, which is close here. Yeah. For the Boodle fight tomorrow. Woo! So I'm now outside of Avocateria, where we will host the Boodle Supper Club. You can see we've got the poster here. Look. You have your hats and bilao. And we've got Leia over here. She's coming with all the stuff. Hello. What do you have in your box?
I have decoration flags of the Philippines. Getting ready for tomorrow.
All the colorful.
Yes. Yes.
And you've got a fryer.
And fryer. All of that for Ate May. Hey. Welcome to Paris.
Hi guys, we just got to the house where I'm staying in. It's Melinda's house. She's the one hosting me while I'm here in Paris, and I'm in my pajamas right now. It's like 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but I need my nap because I was up so early this morning to travel here. So I'm gonna get a quick nap, my beauty sleep, and then we are going to start cooking some of the dishes for tomorrow. A bit tired. I thought I'll be able to do my makeup on the train, but I didn't get to do any makeup. All the lumpia fillings, and we have another bowl. Big bowl here and a big bowl there. So we're having a lumpia wrapping party. Guys, say hello! Good morning, everyone. Day 2 in Paris. This is my morning face, in case you're wondering. My host Melinda is still sleeping, and I will leave her to sleep because she went to bed later than me yesterday or early this morning, cleaning up all the mess we made yesterday from cooking. And today we have a full-on day. It's the Boodle fight day. Woo! oh my God, a lot of things happened, like bad things happened in the kitchen that you can think of. Oh my God. So the first thing is pork. You know, I like to brine my pork. They have a big container, plastic container. So everything was going smoothly, nicely. We added the pork in the container, added the salt and then the water. And then we were trying to move it. At first, we wanted to move it to Melinda's mum's house because she has more space. But then I said, no, no, no. It's better we don't transport it just in case, because I saw how flimsy that box was. And then we tried to move it on the side, and boom, the wheel broke. And because the wheel broke, it created a hole at the bottom of the box. Oh my God. So the kitchen basically flooded. I had to clean the kitchen first, which delayed us yesterday. And then that all got sorted out. And then we continued brining the pork on different boxes separately, which is okay. And we're not going to move it around just in case it breaks again. So there was blockage in sink, so we couldn't really do very much either for a little bit because the water wouldn't go down the sink. So we had to get that one sorted, especially for today because we have a lot to cook today, like literally the whole menu. And by this time, I went to bed about 2 o'clock in the morning. And Melinda went to bed about 3 o'clock in the morning because I said, look, I am so tired. Tomorrow I'm going to do a lot of cooking. So I'm going to retire to bed. So my very gracious and kind host let me sleep. Thank you very much. My voice sounds so weird. It really sounds so weird. I hope that this microphone is doing me justice. Awful. It's upside down. I am so stupid right now. Honestly, I am not a morning person because my microphone is upside down. I mean, to be fair, they look the same upside down and, you know, the same shape. So, alright, this is me out for now until I find my brain. Pepperoni? Yeah. Everyone, they all have their task. Smells like Filipino house. Let's go to the kitchen where I'm supposed to be, but I'm vlogging.
Allô, allô, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, teste le micro. Ah non, faut pas de silence, s'il vous plaît, c'est gênant. Et là, il a t'écoute. Ok. Bon, bah, désolé. Anyway, if you enjoyed the Boodle fight, this is prepared by the one and only talented Ateme.
Thank you so much for coming today. I hope you enjoyed the food. Yeah. And I hope you leave happy and full belly. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.
Thank you. Thank you, Atome. You can follow her on Instagram, Food with May. Aussi, mention spéciale à Avocateria, à Linda qui nous a Alors, habituellement, ça n'arrive pas ce genre de dîner, mais elle nous a exceptionnellement accueillis pour faire venir donc, les Philippines en plein cœur de Paris. Donc, Linda, merci et à toute l'équipe. Voilà. Là, tu peux te lever. Voilà, la boss girl. à l'équipe de la petite Mani qui est juste là. Drum roll. Et le sound system. Ok. Are you ready? On compte tous. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Et number 1.
Stay safe, London.
Thank you, London.
See you later. See you later.
See you later.
What's your accent for British?
Would you like some water? Can I have a cup of tea?
Can I get a little bit of that? A little bit of this? A little bit of that?
Oh, it's okay.
Cartier jaw because it's the bank holiday Monday. The Cartier is closed. Oh no, I can't buy it now. Even though I can't afford to buy it anyway. How do you say this garden? What's the name?
Jardin des Tuileries.
What she said. We've just taken our photos. Where the Louvre, that one I can pronounce.
Louvre.
Louvre, see? Not even Louvre, Louvre,
Louvre.
Louvre,
Louvre.
Louvre, Louvre.
Ma bouteille.
Ma beauté. Hi Suki. You want to say something? Today is my last day in Paris. Yesterday I didn't get to update you guys, but we went around Paris a little bit. There were protesters somewhere, so we couldn't go to many places, but we were able to visit some places in Paris. So I went to see, I'm not going to remember the names of all the places that we went to see yesterday, so I'm going to write them down somewhere here on the screen. I do apologize because my vlogging skills is very, very, very small. So, and I don't have the patience to take my camera out and start talking to you guys. So there'll probably be like a voiceover on this video. But yeah, I did my best. What do you think, Suki? So that's it really. My trip to Paris, my little adventure. Actually, I'm gonna talk to you a little bit more about the Boodle fight on Sunday for Filipino Food Month. It went really, really well. I think from what I saw, the people really enjoyed our food, and a lot of them, it was their first time to try Filipino food. So I hope that I gave them a good impression of Filipino food and that they'll try other places to eat as well. It's been a good experience coming to Paris, doing a Boodle fight with you guys. It was a pleasure to cook for you and with you. I hope we'll do it again soon. Now I am in the station. I'm waiting for the platform for my train now. I'm going back to London, but we don't have the platform number yet, so I'm waiting. See you soon, London.
Tell me why.
Thank you.